In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can rotate your videos from a vertical position to a horizontal position. Maybe for some reason you're trying to take a video of something, but you click the play button while it was still in this position. This is called the portrait or the vertical position. But when you're editing your video, you want your video to be in a horizontal or landscape position like this. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make those vertical videos to be into horizontal position. Now, the reason as to why most times you find yourself having a vertical video instead of horizontal video is because you click the play button when your phone was still in this vertical position. The phone picks the frame or the position of your video depending on when first you click the play button. So if you click the play button when your phone was in this position, the entire video will be in this position, even if you flip it in this position at some particular point of you recording that particular video. So always make sure if you want your video in a landscape position or in a horizontal position like this, then make sure you click the play button once you already have it in that position that you want it. In this case, in a horizontal position. So if you want your video to be in a portrait position, then click the play button when it's like this. When you want it to be in a horizontal position, then click your play button when already the phone is like this. I hope you get the point. Anyway, let's say for example you've already shot the video and you already shot the video in a vertical position, but you want to turn it into a horizontal position. So how do you do this? I'm going to show you how to exactly do this in this video. Let's get into the video. So guys, before we get started onto this video, I want to ask you for one particular favor. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button to support me and support the team behind this channel. We're doing our best to create the great value that you want. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you're notified of any of our future videos, and comment with one if you got some value from this video. So guys, I'm here on my laptop and I recorded a very nice video that this video was touchdown video. Let me just click it there. This is a very nice touchdown video when I took a plane and I was going for my vacation in a coastal region in the place where I stay. It's an amazing video, but for some reason I took it in a vertical position, but I want it to be in a horizontal position. So let's use this video and see how you can change our videos from a vertical position to a horizontal position. See at the end here how it really touched down on the tarmac. All right, let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you two ways to do this. One is using Windows. So let's first learn to use Windows, because most of you I'm sure using Windows 10, and that is the easiest way to first flip or rotate your video from a vertical position to a horizontal position. So I'm here on my Windows 10 desktop and I'm just going to click on search here, and then you want to search for video editor. So all Windows 10 come with a video editor app. You're going to open the video editor application, and then you're going to come up here and click on new video project. Of course, the next thing you want to do, you're going to name it to say, I'm just going to say rotate my touchdown video. Then you can give it any name, and then I'm just going to say okay. The next thing, of course, I'm going to drag and drop my touchdown video to my project library there. Once you do that, you want to drag it to the storyboard. So you want to drag this same video to the storyboard here, like that. Now again, I'm going to play this. If I play this, you see this video is still in a vertical position. So now, this is where the main thing is done. So how do you do this? Now you want to come to rotate here. Now you have this button here called rotate. So you can either click rotate or you click Ctrl R. So it's very simple. You can click this button, either rotate or click Ctrl R on your keyboard on your PC or laptop. So if you click on this, it's going to rotate like that. Now I don't want it in that position. You can click rotating that until you are satisfied. This is where I want it. So now if I watch that, you see it has not affected the quality of my video, but it has rotated it exactly the way I want it. So the Windows video editor does a very good job in rotating your videos. Now, of course, you can click Ctrl R if you want to rotate it, or you can click this button right here. Another way to rotate your video, you can just right click on the video right here on the storyboard, and then there's a rotate button right here. Alright guys, that's how simple it is to rotate your video. Let me show you now how you can export this video. Now simply once you rotate your video to your satisfaction, the next thing you want to do, of course, is to export or download your video to your desktop. Now again, this is very simple. Just come to the top right corner here called finish video, then click on finish video. Then you want to of course choose the highest quality video that you want. I'm going to choose the highest quality, which is that 1080p, and then just click on export. Once you click on export, of course, you're going to go to the folder that you have given it to go to. It's as simple as that to rotate your video on Windows using the video editor on Windows 10. So go ahead and rotate your video. Now in the next part, I'm going to show you how to rotate your video using Filmora. I know most of you are using Filmora 10 or 9 or X to edit your video. So how to use Filmora to rotate your videos. Now guys, I hope you've gotten some content and value from this video, and if you have, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment with 1 if you've gotten some value. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Before I let you go, please make sure to watch this next video. It will also help you to be a pro in editing your videos.